In this video, we'll discuss absolute value. Absolute value is just the distance a number is from 0. So the absolute value of 5 is just the number of units that 5 is from 0, which of course is 5. Now the absolute value of negative 5, again, is the number of units from 0 that negative 5 is, which is also 5. So let's look at a couple of examples. The first one, absolute value of negative 7. That's the number of units that negative 7 is from 0, which is just 7. Now number 2 is a little bit different because we're asking for the opposite of the absolute value of negative 8. Well, the absolute value of negative 8 is just 8. But then the opposite of that would be negative. So that's just a negative 8. Now, there is a big trap for your students in this number 2 problem because there's also one problem that looks very similar to that, the opposite of negative 8. Do you see the difference in the answers? You can see that students could easily get an absolute value and a parentheses confused. And then the last one is just the absolute value of 6, which is 6.